SMP 33803, Strategic Management, 21C Group 2, Financial Performance Ratio Analysis.
I am SITI NURSYAFIQAH ADILAH binti MERAMZUL. I would like to present about profitability ratio. Number 1, return on total asset. The total for year 2022 is 10.96%. For total for year 2023 is 3.35%. For year 2024 is 3.52%. Number 2, return of stockholder equity. Total for year 2022 is 32.12%. For 2023, 13.52%. For year 2024, 3.60%. Next is return on common equity. Total for 2022 is 32.12%. For 2023, 30.52%. Total for 2024 is 3.60%. Next is operating profit margin. For total for 2022 is 14.97%. For year 2023 is 3.43%. For 2024 is 4.003%. For net profit margin total for 2022 is 70.91%. For year 2023 is 6.55%. And 2024 is 2.06%. For liquidity ratio, the total for current ratio for year 2023 is 1.23%. For quick ratio, acid test ratio is 1.23%. For inventory to net working capital is 3.55%. For year 2023, total for current ratio is 1.29%. For quick ratio, acid test ratio is total is 1.28%. For inventory to net working capital is 3.51%. For 2024, total for current ratio is 1.34%. Quick ratio, acid test ratio is 1.31%. For inventory to net working capital is 7.96%. For leverage ratio of ANEKA jaringan for year 2022, total debt over total asset is 0.5921. Total debt over total shareholder equity is 1.5047. Long-term debt over total shareholder equity is 0.2275. Profit before interest and tax over total interest charge is negative 6.2907. Profit before tax and interest plus lease obligation over total interest charge plus lease obligation is negative 1.1366. For year 2023, total debt over total asset is 0.6146. Total debt over total shareholder equity is 1.5948. Long-term debt over total shareholder equity is 0.1207. Profit before interest and tax over total interest charge is negative 4.3946. Profit before tax and interest plus lease obligation over total interest charge plus lease obligation is 0.4586. For year 2024, total debt over total asset is 0.5822. Total debt over total shareholder equity is 1.514. Long-term debt over total shareholder equity is 0.1569. Profit before interest and tax over total interest charge is 2.2667. Profit before tax and interest plus lease obligation over total interest charge plus lease obligation is 1.3021. For shareholder return ratio, number 1, dividend yield on common stock. Total for 2022 is 0.00 ringgit. Total for 2023 is 0.00 ringgit. Total for 2024 is 0.00 ringgit. Number 2, price earning ratio. Total for year 2022 is 3.17 ringgit. Total for 2023 is 7.72 ringgit. Total for 2024 is 0.32 ringgit. Number 3, dividend payout ratio. Total for 2022 is 0 ringgit. Total for 2023 is 0 ringgit. Total for 2024 is 0 ringgit. Number 4, cash flow per share. Total for 2022 is 0.055. Total for 2023 is 0.0032. Total for 2024 is 0.108. The total of activity ratio based on formula for year 2022, fixed asset turnover is 2.71, total asset turnover 0.71, account receivable turnover 3.54, average collecting period 102.84. For year 2023, fixed asset turnover is 3.06, total asset turnover is 0.8, account receivable turnover is 2.27, average collecting period is 160.88. For year 2024, fixed asset turnover is 2.86, total asset turnover is 0.90, account receivable turnover is 0.50, average collecting period is 365.